It is important to pick the right location for a new home, to be near an international school, university, office building, public transportation, or something else as per your specific needs at the moment. Asoke in Bangkok is the right location for anybody because you have all of them here. Today we visit Wind Sukhumvit 23, a high-rise condominium in the heart of prosperity in the Sukhumvit area. It's surrounded by business and entertainment centers for you to access all urban lifestyles without limits. This building was built by major development public company with innovating living forms under the concept through ventilation design and the detached wall technique, which increases the gap between units, allowing air circulation throughout the building. It is a complete answer for those who are looking for the perfect location and quality of living. We have got a new apartment for sale in Wind Sukhumvit 23. This unit features good size living room with a balcony, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the ceiling is 2.8 meters high. This property is well maintained and now it's available at a good price. If you are interested in this property, please contact us. Contact details are on the screen as usual. If you want to receive alerts about properties in Bangkok that make sense, I recommend you do 3 things. Click like button, subscribe to our channel, and click a bell. I'm WinWin at COndoDee Eternal Property. Enjoy the video. Bye.